Welcome. In this lesson, I want to go over a few principles of CPA affiliate marketing. Let's start with the affiliate link, which I already mentioned in the previous lesson. In the affiliate network, you get your offer link, also known as a tracking link or an affiliate link. Here's a sample offer link. The ending of this link will usually have some kind of code to identify you as the affiliate. I have highlighted the ending here in yellow, and every network uses a different format, but it is similar and it's a part of your unique affiliate identification. To this basic affiliate link, you can add extra tracking information. You add this information in a placeholder, and every network will use different placeholders. Here's an example. And in this example, S1, S2, and S3 are the placeholders. They will store your data. So what type of information would you store in a placeholder? Well, if you are using a tracking platform, then you will have to add a click ID or a transaction ID. This is a unique integer that is assigned to every click. This is required for setting up a postback, and we will get to that in a second. Let me show you another way that you can use placeholders. If you are running an email campaign and an SMS campaign at the same time, you can separate these campaigns by generating one tracking link with the word email in S2 and a second tracking link with the word SMS in S2. Then when you run your campaign, you will see how many clicks came from your email campaign and how many clicks came from your SMS campaign. In your placeholders, you can also include information about the person who clicks the ad, such as which device they are using, your campaign ID, the mobile carrier they are using, which browser, which operating system, which website they are clicking. Please be aware that placeholders are different for every affiliate network that you use. Here's another example from a affiliate network. As you can see, instead of using S1, S2, and S3, the placeholder here is D_data 1, 2, and 3. If you are advertising an offer from a CPA affiliate network, then you have to know how to set up a postback link. A postback link integrates with a tracking platform. The purpose of the postback is to track conversions, so that once a conversion occurs in the affiliate network, that information is passed back to your tracking platform. In a sense, the postback is like a communication train that is delivering the latest stats back to your tracking platform. For a postback to work, you will need to use a unique click identifier, also known as the click ID. This is a unique value for every click to your offer. You will store the click ID in a placeholder in the initial offer link that you get from your affiliate network. Then, when you configure the postback link, you will call for this information. But you will learn how to set up a postback link in the tracking section of this course. And lastly, I would like to introduce you to the campaign link. This is the link that you use in your advertising campaigns. Your campaign link is generated by your tracking platform. In CPA affiliate marketing, you first configure your tracking platform with the offers, traffic source, and affiliate networks. Then you generate a campaign link so that all of your traffic is tracked. Now that you know the affiliate process and the basic principles of affiliate marketing, we can move on and do an overview of affiliate networks, traffic sources, and the tracking platform.